Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Supreme BLING Chem Cap green colorway. So let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. I don't think so. So I got two of these red box logo stickers. Unfortunately, this sticker, they don't last too long compared to my decals for the cars. So you get this sticker right here. Sometimes they don't come with the sticker from a previous drop. It says BLING Cap Spring Summer 2020. H stands for hat 19. And then that is the barcode number, green color. And then you get the OS. So the original bag comes with this hole punch front and then the back right there. And then there's another one on this side, on the left side right here, okay? Left and then right. So you have the gold watch, gold chain, gold jewelry, or that's why it's called the BLING cap. You got the SUP R right here on this side. And it looks like there's a dollar bill. Washington, so that's a dollar bill. And you got this red box logo on the front hit right here. So yeah, this one is pretty thin fabric on the red box logo. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's go and then check out the Supreme label right here. Wow. So this one is made in China. So the stitching line is kind of messed up right here. It's crooked. In case you guys want to do some literature on this tag, look at it. And it's 100% cotton right here. You have for this stitching line right there. And you have two at the air ventilation hole right there. This is an embroidery looking on each side, left, and then right hand side right here. Okay. Here's a adjustable buckle with the Supreme deposited. Okay. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and be safe out there. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.